how to set up Amazon AU household sharing. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is get into your Amazon and make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, what are we now going to do is tap on our account icon right here. Then after doing that, what are we going to do is tap on account option just right here. We'll be able to see all of your account settings. Then from here, what are we going to do is simply tap on the program option, right? So after doing that, you'll get the Amazon family. Simply tap on it, and in here, what you're going to do is make sure that you have added your Amazon family right here before trying to set up Amazon AU household sharing, right? So obviously you would be adding down all of your family members. Then after doing that here, like I said, you would need to enter their name, email address, and agree to the share payment wallet to share Prime benefits, right? So after doing that, what are we going to do is now send the invitation. So the recipient must actually tap the link and then open the link in their email to accept and complete the connection. To accept and complete the connection. So please tell them that whenever like you send the mail to them, please tell them to tap on it, open it, and then accept that particular invitation. And that is exactly how you'll be able to set up Amazon AU household sharing. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.